Hi, it's Alan from Hyperstream here. This short video tutorial is a follow-on from a presentation I did at Google Campus on the 16th of May. And so in this short video, I'm just going to show you how to run over the setup of the Yoast SEO plugin and some of the best practices in doing that. So I'm just going to log into the admin area, my development website, and I've already installed the SEO plugin. And the first thing you want to do is go into the titles, and here we have this bit of code here, and we need to make sure this is within the head tags of our template. So what you need to do is go into your theme and just go into the editor here and find the header.php, and in between the head tags this is what we're looking for. So we want to make sure that this code is here. In some themes you'll find that this might have some custom code here because it has its own SEO features, so you may want to strip that out and then just make sure that it's only using the SEO settings. So just have that there, so that will ensure that the Yoast SEO plugin is going to work correctly. So update the file once you've finished, then come back to the SEO menu here, and the next section we want to look at is the indexation. And generally what we want to do in SEO is, one of the common problems I found with my own blogs is duplicate content. When I ran a report, I did a SEO Moz report, SEO MOZ, and there's another tool which I've used as well called Screaming Frog SEO Spider. And when I ran those reports, it found loads of duplicate content, and I was wondering where that was all coming from. And so I did a little bit of research and found out that I wasn't really using the SEO plugin properly. So I found these settings, and the way you want to do this is make sure you're not indexing this stuff. So 95% of the websites, if you do it for small business websites, these settings will work. So we don't want to index the subpages of archives. We don't want to index authors. We don't really want to index the date-based archives. The only thing I really want to index are category-based archives generally, and I also don't want to index these either. So then moving on, here we've got this setting here, just disable the author archives. There is more description. If you want to know more about what these are actually doing, you can untick this button, and it gives you a little bit more description of what you're not indexing or what you're disabling. And these can be left as they are, so blank. Just make sure you save the settings. Moving on. So next section is XML sitemaps. So you want to enable this functionality, but do check with your own blog if you're already using, say, some of the themes and other plugins may already have these features, so you don't want to make this conflict. So either choose one or the other, either use one of the other plugins or delete that plugin and then just use this as a XML sitemap. So check the box here to enable it, and we want to ping Yahoo and ask, and then here I've got exclude the tags from the in the sitemap because I'm not indexing that. So that's generally how I set them up, and then just save those settings and move on. So here we've got the permalinks section, and generally a good practice is to strip out the category base. This is going to make the URLs shorter when you're doing a search or when you're in the category. So it's just a good practice basically. And then here again we've got this box checked to force a trading slash on all categories and tag URLs, and you can leave this one as default. Internal links, it's really up to you if you want to enable breadcrumbs on your site. For the purpose of this tutorial, I don't think it's 100% necessary to enable breadcrumbs, but I think this is more of a usability and internal site navigation thing, which can help SEO to a degree, but I haven't really done any research on how effective enabling breadcrumbs is, so you may want to experiment with that. And again, just check to see if there are any other plugins which are conflicting that are already using breadcrumbs, and you don't need this. And that's essentially it. There's not much more else to look at in terms of just configuring the plugin. I think these settings which I've just shown you will work for 90% of the websites you're building. Most of the sites I build are for small businesses, and this is going to give a pretty good foundation for the SEO settings and Yoast SEO for them to work with. And that's it really. So hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you've got any questions, please comment, or you can tweet me. It's Alan B Son, so that's at Alan B Son. Yeah, so good luck.